In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add order notes in WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to effectively manage your store's order notes. This is an important skill for keeping organized records and communicating efficiently with your customers. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, find and click on the WooCommerce tab, which is generally located on the left side of your screen. Once you're in the WooCommerce section, go ahead and select Orders. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the orders that have been placed on your store. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it's central to managing your WooCommerce store effectively. Now let's say you've identified the specific order you want to add a note to. Click on that order to open its details. This action will provide you with a detailed overview of the order, including all the essential information you might need, such as billing details, shipping methods, and items ordered. As you look at the screen, you'll want to direct your attention to the right side where you'll find the Order Notes panel. This is the section where you'll be adding your notes. In the text box provided within this panel, you can type in your note. Take your time entering the information you want to capture. This could be anything relevant that you're looking to document or communicate, such as a comment about the delivery process or a special instruction that needs to be followed. It's important to be clear and concise to avoid any potential misunderstandings later. After typing your note, you'll need to decide on its visibility. You can choose between two types of notes. The first is a Note to Customer, which means that it will be visible in the emails sent to them. This can be extremely useful for sharing details and updates about their order directly. The second type is a Private Note, which is only visible within your admin area. Private notes serve as internal memos that can be crucial for keeping track of specific details that should not be disclosed to customers. Once you've made your choice, click Add to save the note. This action not only adds the note to the order, but also creates a historical log within the order timeline. Having a log is beneficial as it maintains a documented history of communications and notes attached to each order. With this feature, you can always look back and track what actions were taken or what notes were added, offering transparency and accountability in your order management process. And there you have it. Adding order notes in WooCommerce is a straightforward but vital component of managing your online store. By doing so, you'll enhance your communication with customers and keep impeccable records. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more WooCommerce tips and tricks to optimize your online business.